Hello everyone, if you don't know me already, I'm Tara, the dance doctor. Welcome to my channel. In today's lesson, I'm going to be doing something which has been pretty highly requested by a lot of you, which is a learn by doing dance along video. We're going to be doing salsa today, and after this intro, you will not hear my voice. I'm going to be doing everything halftime and then up to speed so that you can learn it slowly and then apply it with the real tempo of the music. I'm also going to be filming front and back view, so no matter what your learning style is, you will be able to follow along. Really quick before we get into the lesson, I just want to let you know or remind you, if you knew already, that I do host 4 Havana dance retreats every year. I take groups of 8 to 10 people to Cuba, and we have a week worth of dancing and learning about Cuban culture and going in convertible rides and going to the beach and doing all of the fabulous things that Havana has to offer. If you are interested in one of those retreats, visit my website, ddretreats.com, or you can email me at dancedoctoronline@gmail.com to reserve your spot in one of my next retreats. Now, without further ado, let's get dancing.
Por eso tienes que comprender que el ritmo nunca se para, se sigue hasta el amanecer. Ahora te invito a bailar, mami, que no hay más nada. Seguimos siempre gozando, vamos para allá. Anda, vamos a gozar, mamita. Eso es. Oye, mamita linda, te estoy invitando a mi fiesta. Escucha mi salsa buena, mi guaracha y el rico son. Oye, mamita linda, te estoy invitando a mi fiesta. Escucha mi salsa buena y mi guaracha y el rico son. Escucha el rico son. Suena mi trombone. Escucha el rico son. cero, bongo cero. Ajá, rómpelo. Vamos a gozar. ¡Ja! Ay, la música te llena.
Baila mi salsa buena.
Ahora yo te invito a mi rumbo, mamá.
Baila mi rico son.
Mira, ahí quiero una vida sin problema.
Baila mi salsa
Oye,
buena.
baila, baila, rico son, mi nena.
Baila mi rico son.
Estoy cantando pa' ti, escucha mi serena.
Baila mi salsa
Porque
buena.
tú sabes que tengo el don, mi
Baila
nena.
mi rico
Vaya,
son.
anda. Eso es. Sube, 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 sube. Ah, eso. Ajá. Eso, qué rico es, qué rico es. Ajá.
Oye, mamita linda, te estoy invitando a mi fiestón. Escucha mi salsa buena y mi guaracha y el rico son. Oye, mamita linda, te estoy invitando a mi fiestón.
Mami, no te preocupes, aunque la vida va a cambiar. A pesar de todos los cambios, yo seguiré siempre igual. Y pase lo que pase, tú sabes bien que nuestro amor lo voy a cuidar. Cuéntame si te enojas, mami, o si te sientes mal. Cuéntame si te quieres algo y te voy a dar. Claro, no es un secreto que te prometo que todo va a estar bien al final. Fenomenal. Ajá. Sí, la verdad, muchachita linda. Bueno, camina. Ah, sí. Jeje. Súbelo con los metales. linda, tú lo sabes, que nunca te dejaré. Eso es.
Thanks so much for dancing with me today. I hope that you enjoyed following the lesson as much as I enjoyed teaching it. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those notifications so you can get updated when I upload more stuff like this. Until next time, keep dancing.